Hey everybody, what's going on? It's day 2 at Whistler Blackcomb. Today I have 2 kiddos with me and I'm all by myself, so wish me luck. But we got this, right?
Yeah.
Woo!
Because you made it too tight.
Oh, your sea boots?
And then you have the worst.
Gather around, everybody. Gather around. Gather around.
Worst day ever?
Got a story to tell you.
How can we make the next day better?
Something like this.
Yeah, there once was a fly guy long ago, but he wasn't quite fly like me. He had an automatic flow like me. Basically, I'm saying I'm a man like me. Just might be.
That wasn't too bad.
You ever seen.
Nice
If I
job.
don't reply to you, that means I'm doing better things. Or I'm a beauty, I'm picking it up in the evergreens. This right here's something they never seen.
Big feet, big turns.
You can search far and wide, I'll never dare ya. You can just save your time and I'll spare ya. You ain't gon' find another one of
Good
these,
job,
another
guys.
one of these, another one of these. Got in the game and now I can't fall back. Young and insane and make a change off rap. Cause it's only one of me, and that's all it's ever gonna be. I can guarantee that. So I got with it.
So day 2 was a little harder than day 1, mainly because there was only 1 parent, 2 kids, really icy conditions. But I had a lot of fun and I'm glad I got them out, and that's all that counts. So we'll see you for day 3.